This is the Great Plains Area Special Olympics bowling, and we have 2 sessions of bowlers. The first session was 144 bowlers, the second session was 135, and they come from all over southwest Oklahoma. Well, I've been doing in this area for 32 years. I couldn't do it without a team. They get to visit with their peers, and mainly is that they feel like they're doing something for themselves. They're included in something.
Oh, the joy, the smiles is just wonderful, and getting them to, it's all about the kids. Our Special Olympian athletes that are here today, along with a partner club member, they will form a team, so it's 2 people on a team, and they will compete. In February, we have state competition up in Stillwater that our school does, but there's other competitions, there's just all kinds of events. Just remember, our Special Olympian athletes are not handicapped, they're handi-capable, and because they are capable of so many things.
I want to say that Fort Sill is wonderful with hosting us. They just open their doors to us, and it's been wonderful.